Welcome everybody, Bentley, with another dam project from Too Damn Many Projects. Yeah, I've been down for a little while. I did a video and I haven't edited it yet. And I had carpal tunnel surgery and I hurt my hand. So that doesn't help. It's really not good. So here we are. We did get the tank and the fuel pump moved. Drilled a hole for it and all. We're getting ready to put this up on the wall with a piece of aluminum diamond plate, and it's going to be spaced about an inch off the wall for airspace, so no heat transfer to the wood product there. And then it's going to be up here out of the way. The exhaust pipe will be up and going into the tank downward, which is a vast improvement. But what we did today, me and the mouse in my pocket, we've all been talking about the little alligator clips I've had on here to hook up the wiring. Well, yeah, that's kind of Mickey Mouse, but I had to get to this point in order to do it. So here we are. I've got proper terminals with heat shrink, and now that's safe in that area. As I said about the other side, there's a fuse on this wire, and this one over here, there's a fuse on that wire. So we're in pretty good shape that way. I'll be getting it on the wall, and then we're going to start hooking up the battery shunt, and then we're going to start talking. So, we need to know what the battery's doing, okay? How much power we're drawing. We got these two little guys. Those are heaters, and they're 120 volt. And, yeah, they got a small wire. I guess they don't need much. We're going to plug it into our source, and then here's a nice big fat 12 volt up here. So I could jump that and get that nice and hot in that sand. And this is a water heater. Yeah, it's actually an element. You can screw in your water heater. It runs 12 volts. Oh, there are things out here. But this is just a short. Let you know what I got doing while I'm recuperating. So talk to you later. Bye.